I'm a design manager living in London. So I moved over here at the end of last year and I work for a construction company in Shoreditch. I think because I spend all my week in the city, surrounded by buildings, building buildings, for me it's really important that I escape to the countryside or the seaside on the weekend. It can be for 1 hour, 2 hours, just to go somewhere, just to escape. I think it's really important sometimes to remove yourself from the environment you're in. When I'm up in the air, I'm free. I'm happy. You can't not be happy flying a drone. In the most uncliche way possible, but you forget about your surroundings and you can just see the world in a completely new way. And for me, that's what I'm addicted to. Some of my work is quite abstract, but I like that. I look for patterns, I look for movement, I look for a new perspective. I look for an image that has never been created before.